Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to animate simple shapes and After Effects. Animating simple shapes and Adobe After Effects is a fundamental skill that can add dynamic movement to your projects. Whether you're creating a simple bouncing ball or a more complex shape animation, After Effects provides a range of tools and features to bring your designs to life. Now, let's launch Adobe After Effects on your PC. Go to File, then New Composition, or just press Ctrl N. Set your desired resolution, frame rate, and duration. For example, you might choose 1920 x 1080p, 30 fps, and 10 seconds. Give your composition a meaningful name, such as Simple Shape Animation, then hit OK. Now, let's create the shape layer. At the Tools panel, choose the Shape tool. You can choose different shapes by clicking and holding the tool icon, then choosing from the options like rectangle, ellipse, polygon, etc. Click and drag on the composition panel to draw your shape. For example, let's create a circle. Choose the ellipse tool. Hold Shift while dragging to maintain a perfect circle. Your shape will be automatically added to a new shape layer and the timeline panel. Now, let us begin to animate shape's position. Click on the triangle icon next to the shape layer to expand its properties. Click on the Transform drop-down to reveal the transfer properties like anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Now, move the playhead or the time head indicator to the beginning of the timeline. Then click on the stopwatch icon next to position to create keyframe at the starting point. Move the playhead to a different time, such as 6F. Drag the shape to a new position on the composition panel or adjust the position values and the timeline panel. After Effects will automatically create the new keyframe, creating an animation between the initial and new positions. Now, to make this possible, move the time head to where you want the animation to end, then adjust the position to the right to make movements. Now you can press the spacebar to play the animation and see how the shape moves between the keyframes. Now, let's animate the shape scale. Move the playhead to the start of the animation. Click on the stopwatch icon next to the scale to set the initial scale keyframe. Move the playhead to a starting time, such as 6F. Adjust the scale values and the timeline panel. For example, change it from 100% to 150%. A new keyframe will be created, animating the scale change. Now, let us add the shape's opacity. Move the playhead again to the start of the animation. Click on the stopwatch icon next to opacity to set the initial opacity keyframe. Then, move the playhead to 8F. Change the opacity value and the timeline panel. For example, reduce it from 100% to 0%. After Effects will create a new keyframe, animating the opacity change. And now, I'll press the spacebar. Here is the result. By following these steps, you can create captivating animations with simple shapes and Adobe After Effects. This foundational skill opens up endless possibilities for enhancing your motion graphics projects and bringing your creative ideas to life. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.